Hello everyone. Today I am going to introduce about OutSystems platform. So let us try to understand about this particular platform. So OutSystem is also one of the low code platform. Okay. So now let us look into this platform. So let us try to understand what is OutSystems. As I said, OutSystem is a low code platform which actually allows the organizations to build, deploy, and manage both web and mobile applications. And as well, it enables the users to create the custom applications. So, how the users can go and create the custom applications through visual drag and drop interface without writing or without requiring the extensive coding knowledge. So, we need not to have a coding knowledge over here. So where we use what? The visual drag and drop interface to develop an application. And you know that the OutSystem actually it's going to offer a variety of pre-built templates, modules, and as well the components, and which can be easily customized to suit the business needs or the requirements. Okay. Slowly we will try to understand. I mean, practically we will go and see about these pre-built templates and modules and the components, how these things we can go ahead and use. Okay, yeah. And you know that OutSystem is used by the businesses across industries, including banking, healthcare, and manufacturing, multiple, yeah, multiple domains. Across multiple domains, this particular OutSystem is used. Okay, so that is about your OutSystems. So basically, what we need to understand here, OutSystem is one of the low-code platform, and which is used to develop both your web and mobile applications. Okay, yeah. Now let us understand why only OutSystems. I mean, there are several other popular low-code development platforms which are available in the market, such as you have Mendix, Salesforce, Microsoft Power Apps, Pega platform you have, a Pain you have, I mean APN you have. Like there are many other low-code platforms are available, right? You know that each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, right? Yeah, and maybe better suited for specific use case or industry. For example, if you take OutSystems, is known for it is known for its ease of use and its ability to handle complex, large-scale applications. While coming to Mendix, is known for its strong collaboration and app management capabilities. And you know that Salesforce is popular for CRM, right? Similarly, for example, if you take your Pega, you know that Pega is also one of the low-code platform, right? Which is popular for BPM, business process management. Okay. And you also have your APN, which is also a low code platform, right? So as you know that each platform has its own strengths and weakness, right? So now let us continue. Ultimately, see the choice of your low code development platform depends upon various factors, right? A variety of factors, including what? The organization's specific needs, the complexity of the application being developed, and the team's level of technical expertise. Okay. It depends upon. So which platform should I go and choose? So there are multiple platforms, low code platforms are available in the market. So which one I have to go and opt for? Whether I have to go for an OutSystems or Mendix or a Pega platform, right? So it's totally depends upon what the organization specific needs. And not only that, the complexity of the application which we are going and developing it, right? Yeah. And as well, the team's technical expertise. So these all will help us to take a decision. So which platform that we have to go and use for our application development. Okay. So that is about your why only OutSystems. Okay. Now, who is the founder of OutSystems? Who is the founder of OutSystems? So the OutSystem company actually it was founded in 2001 by Paulo Rosato. Okay, and he is the current CEO of OutSystems. Okay, he is the current CEO of OutSystems itself. Right. And the next question comes to the mind. OutSystem is built on, I mean, it has built on which language? So OutSystem is a low-code development platform, yes, and which uses what? A proprietary visual modeling language called Service Studio. And you know, right? I mean, every platform has its own studio. I mean, we can call the studio as a workspace to develop your application. So similarly, coming to your OutSystems, we have one of the studio called Service Studio, which is used to create your web and mobile applications. And while the Service Studio is not based on any particular programming language, so it generates the native code. I mean, whatever the applications that we develop using the Service Studio, behind the scene, it is going to generate what the native code in the several programming languages such as Java, C Sharp, and JavaScript, right? Yeah, we will discuss more about, I mean, about the OutSystem has built on which language. Let us continue with the discussion. So let's say, for example, when you build an application in OutSystem, the visual components which you create using Service Studio are translated into the native code in the chosen programming language. Okay, I'll give you an example to understand about this statement. And this native code can then be applied, I mean, can then be deployed to a variety of platforms, including web servers, mobile devices, cloud platforms. So once you're done with your application development, you can go and deploy on the web server or on a mobile device or on a cloud platform, right? Yes. See, so the specific code, I mean, the specific code generated by the OutSystem, I mean, whatever the application you developed, okay, um, that application we are developing with the help of a Service Studio. So in the background, OutSystem is going to generate the code. Okay, in which language it is going to generate the code? For example, let's say if you create a screen with a button and some text, so OutSystem will generate what? The HTML, the CSS, and the JavaScript code, which is required to display the screen in a web browser. So let's say, for example, if you add a database query to the screen, OutSystem will generate the code to execute the query and retrieve the data. So behind the scene, what happens? I mean, basically here using OutSystems platform, okay, we are developing an application, and that application, how we are developing using some visual models. We use some visual models, and those visual models in the background they generate the code, and the code will be what? I mean, it could be HTML, CSS, JavaScript, C sharp, Java. So it's going to generate that code actually. Okay, yeah. Yeah, let us continue our discussion. So OutSystem actually, it also provides the tools and features that allow the users to customize and extend the generated code as needed. So whatever the code that has generated, I mean, you developed the application using what some visual models. In the backgrounds, the code has generated. Even you can go and extend it I mean, even you can extend that generated code as needed. And that's how, I mean, uh, that is one of the important feature what the OutSystem is providing for us. So you can go and customize and extend the generated code as needed. Okay, for example, developers use what traditional programming languages and tools to add the custom code, okay, or integrations with other systems. So overall, the generated code in OutSystems is designed to be what high quality, scalable, and maintainable. So while still allowing developers to customize and extend the functionality of their applications itself. Okay, yeah. So let us continue the discussion. So in addition to the service studio, I mean, here service studio is what exactly? It's a kind of a workspace. So we use this workspace to develop your web and mobile application. So OutSystem also provides what? See, not only the service studio, it is service studio is one of the two. So OutSystem also provides a range of other tools. I mean, and the features that allows users to manage the development, testing, and deployment of their applications. So these tools include what? A visual development environment and an integrated development environment and an application lifecycle management system. I'll show you. I mean, I'll show you the Service Studio. I'll show you your application lifecycle management system. Practically, we will see these things. These all tools I'll show you. Your integrated development environment. So all these tools I'll go and show you practically, okay, in the coming sessions. As of today, we will be going to look at theoretically about your OutSystems. I mean, I'm just going and introducing about this particular platform. Okay, yeah. Okay, so basically, as I said, the OutSystem platform, I mean, itself is built on a combination of programming languages and technologies, including what C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. So, combination of all these languages uh, is nothing but your OutSystems. Okay, so the platform includes what? This platform includes a range of development tools and components, including what the OutSystem Forge. I mean, it's what do you mean by this OutSystem Forge? Means it's a kind of a repository where you can find the pre-built components. Okay, so where you can find it's a kind of a market place you can think of. Okay, where you will have where you will find the pre-built components and integrations that can be used to accelerate your application development. Okay. Now, under the hood, the OutSystem platform uses a combination of code generation and runtime execution to create and run application. So, and whatever the application that we develop using OutSystem platform in the background, it generates the code, and that code will be executed in the background. So that's what he mean to say over here. Okay, yeah. Now let us try to understand OutSystem is popular for what exactly. The OutSystem is popular low-code development platform that is known for its ability to help what business quickly build custom web and mobile applications with minimal coding. Okay. So it's a low code platform, right? Yeah. So basically we use OutSystem. Why it is popular for? It is popular for low code development. Okay. And let us also list out some of the key reasons why OutSystem is popular among the business and developers. Include one. I mean, basically it is popular for rapid application development, low code platform, scalability, security, integration capabilities. Okay, so because of all these reasons, I mean, it is popular for what? I mean, why it is popular? Because of rapid application development. So, what do you mean by rapid application development? So, OutSystems will allow the developers to create applications up to 10 times faster than the traditional development methods. Okay, so it is 10 times faster when compared to your traditional development methods. So that is what I mean. That's how rapidly you can go and develop the applications. So we have to thank to its visual development interface itself. So pre-built components, not only the visual development interface, the pre-built components, and easy to use workflows. Okay, and low-code platform. So OutSystem uses what the low-code approach to develop. your application. So which means that the users can build the complex applications without having to write a lot of code. So this makes it easier for businesses to create what custom applications with their existing IT staff and resources, right? Yeah. And scalability, let us try to understand what is scalability. So OutSystem applications are designed, okay, to be highly scalable, which means that they can grow and adapt to the changing business needs over time. So this scalability is achieved, okay, through what? A combination. How the scalability is achieved through a combination of modular architecture, cloud deployment options, and integration with other systems, right? Yeah, that is about scalability. Now, coming to security, our system has a strong focus inbuilt security on security and compliance with features such as role-based access control. So, how the security is achieved in our system is we have something called role-based access control, and we can even secure the data which is in the rest or which is in the transit, and the regular security audit. So there are different security layers that we had in our systems even. Okay, and coming to the integration capabilities, yes. So through our systems, we can go and integrate with other systems and we can access the other systems, right? Yeah. So through integration capabilities, we can do. So these are all the, I mean, we have all these things into the out systems. So out system is popular for all these things, right? So why the name? Now the last question. Let us try to understand the last thing in the intro of this particular out system module. So why the name out systems? So see, out system actually is named after the concept of out systems or the systems, so that are outside the traditional IT systems within an organization. So the founder of OutSystem, I mean, Paulo Rosado, wanted to create what a platform that would help the organizations build and manage their business applications faster and more efficiently than the traditional IT systems, and to do so in a way that could be easily integrated with existing systems. Okay. Yeah. So the name OutSystem represents what? The company's mission to help organization break free from traditional IT systems and deliver what? Innovative and flexible solutions that can be adapted to the changing needs of the business. So OutSystem is meant for what? Built for the change itself, right? Yeah, it is also, I mean, it is also giving the meaning of built for the change, okay, according to the business needs, right? So the platform aims to empower the organization to create and manage their own applications without the need of extensive coding or IT resources, thus enabling them to operate out of the systems in a more agile and effective way. So it is also using what? The agile. Okay. Yeah. So basically, so why the name OutSystem is just to break free from your traditional IT systems and deliver what? Flexible solutions to the adapted, I mean, that can be adapted to the changing need of the business. Okay, so that's all about your out system intro. Okay, so thank you for listening to this particular session.